Start with a slip knot and chain 96 plus 5 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start with any multiple of 4 plus 5 chains extra for the turning chain. One double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. This is the 6th chain. Chain 3. Now 3 front post double crochets in this double crochet. That's 1, 2 and 3. Skip the next 3 stitches and in the 4th stitch make 1 double crochet. Now repeat this. Chain 3, 3 front post double crochet in this double crochet. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th stitch make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, 3 front post double crochet in this double crochet. In the last stitch make 1 double crochet. Chain 5 and turn your work. Now skip this 3 double crochets and into this chain 3 space make 3 double crochets. This one, chain 3, skip the 3 double crochets and into this chain 3 space make 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Now repeat this in all the stitches. Skip the 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets into this chain 3. One double crochet into this chain stitch, the last stitch. Chain 5 and turn your work. Next round, now skip the next 2 double crochets and in the 3rd double crochet make 3 front post double crochets. This is the 3rd one. Chain 3 and in the 3rd double crochet make 3 front post double crochets. chain 3. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip this whole stitches and in the third stitch make 3 front post double crochet. Chain 3. Once you reach, then make one double crochet into the third chain, this one. Chain 5 and turn your work. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. Skip all the stitches and into the third double crochet make 3 front post double crochets. Chain 3. Skip all the stitches and into the third double crochet make 3 front post double crochets. Chain 3. Now repeat this. 3 front post double crochets. Chain 3. And once you reach there, make one double crochet into this third chain. Chain 5. Turn your work and start the next round. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.